Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Snowman Windchime is probably one of the most charming and delightful additions to any home, especially during the festive winter season, bringing a touch of whimsical holiday spirit and a soothing auditory experience to your outdoor or indoor spaces. Its unique design, often featuring a jolly snowman figure, is crafted to capture the gentle breezes, creating a melodic symphony that can transform your porch, patio, or garden into a winter wonderland, making it a perfect gift for loved ones or a special treat for yourself to enhance your seasonal decor with both visual appeal and calming sounds. Number 5. Tree of Life Outdoor Wind Chimes. Experience the calming sounds of our large outdoor wind chimes. With 5 expertly tuned metal tubes, they produce rich and harmonious melodies that will fill your space with peace. Adorned with a stunning golden tree of life engraving, this piece adds a natural focal point to any outdoor setting. You can even adjust the chord lengths to customize the melodies. Crafted from FSC certified wood and rust-resistant gold-coated tubes, it's designed to withstand rain, snow, and sun. Enjoy consistent, calming tunes year after year. The shining golden and green design makes this wind bell truly unique. Its adjustable length allows for different scales, creating a soundscape unlike any other. Symbolizing lasting connections, it makes a thoughtful keepsake for any occasion. It's the perfect way to show appreciation for moms, grandmas, or anyone special. Ideal for your yard, patio, balcony, or porch, these wind chimes bring beauty and tranquility wherever they hang. They are a wonderful addition to any home. What we like? This one offers a large, 36-inch presence with a beautiful tree of life engraving. If you're looking for a statement piece that combines natural elements with a touch of artistry for your garden or patio, this is a wonderful choice. Its FSC certified wood construction also appeals to those who value sustainable materials. What people say. The chime has a beautiful and intricate design, with each snowman figure carefully crafted. The sound produced by the windchime is pleasant and melodic, creating a relaxing atmosphere. It is made of durable materials that can withstand outdoor conditions. Number 4. Cardinal Outdoor Wind Chimes. Experience a wind chime unlike any other. Its unique flower-shaped suspension and crystal bead impact sight, combined with a metal wind catcher featuring a cardinal design, produce clearer, more beautiful tunes. The cardinal symbolizes passion, good luck, and freedom, making it a perfect symbol to send your best wishes. This decorative piece is perfect for any space. Hang it in your garden, patio, balcony, or even indoors to add a vibrant and artistic touch to your living room or bedroom. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This outdoor wind chime is more than just decor. It's a cost-effective way to send sincere blessings and concerns to your mom, daughter, friends, or loved ones. Listen as the breeze brings nature's music to life. Expertly tuned tubes resonate with the wind, creating beautiful, clear sounds that will help you feel relaxed and at peace. Crafted with a sturdy nylon rope and premium quality tubes, this wind chime is built for durability. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring it won't rust whether displayed indoors or outdoors. What we like? This features a unique cardinal design with crystal beads for a distinct look and clearer tunes. If you appreciate symbolic decor and want a wind chime that brings a sense of good luck and passion to your space, this is ideal. It's perfect for adding a vibrant and artistic touch to your garden or balcony. What people say. The chime is made of durable metal and has a beautiful, intricate design. It produces a clear, melodious sound that is very soothing. The windchime is easy to assemble and hang, and it looks great in my garden. Number 3. Cardinal Wind Chimes, Elegant Outdoor Decor. Introducing our unique Cardinal Wind Chimes, meticulously handmade to bring elegance to your space. Each piece is carefully crafted with nylon rope, connecting charming cardinal figures and decorative balls for a truly special design. Experience the soothing sounds of nature with these metal wind chimes. Unlike traditional aluminum tubes, they produce clearer, more melodious tunes that create a peaceful, relaxed, and comfortable atmosphere. Customize the length of your wind chimes with ease. The adjustable metal sheets allow you to tailor the design to perfectly fit your desired space, ensuring a beautiful display. Designed for durability and weather resistance, these charming chimes are perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. They add a touch of beauty wherever you choose to hang them. Send your love and blessings with this exquisite gift. It's an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, and any occasion to show someone you care. What we like. This handmade option boasts 5 cardinal characters connected by nylon rope with decorative balls, offering a unique visual appeal. If you prefer a more intricate, handcrafted aesthetic and enjoy customizing the chime's length for your preferred sound, this is a great pick. It's especially suitable as a thoughtful gift for loved ones. What people say. The snowman is adorable and the chime sounds lovely. It's a good size and looks very cute hanging on the porch. The quality is nice and it seems durable for outdoor use. Number 2. Wanmingtek Snowman Solar Wind Chime Light. Experience a romantic ambience with this solar-powered wind chime. It gently shifts through 6 beautiful colors, creating a mesmerizing visual display as it illuminates your space. This decorative piece features an automatic sensor that turns on the lights when darkness falls. Simply ensure it's charged by sunlight, and it will glow throughout the night. Enjoy up to 8 hours of enchanting light after a full charge. It comes with a convenient spinning hook, making it incredibly easy to hang anywhere without any wires. Perfect for adding a touch of magic to your patio, garden, balcony, or even indoors. It makes a wonderful and thoughtful gift for any occasion. Embrace an eco-friendly lighting solution. This charming decoration is powered entirely by the sun, eliminating the need for batteries and saving energy. What we like. This offers a magical experience with its color-changing LED lights powered by solar energy. If you desire a whimsical and romantic ambience in your outdoor space that comes alive at night, this is perfect. Its automatic sensor means effortless enjoyment, making it a fantastic addition to patios or gardens for a touch of enchantment. What people say. The chime is made of durable aluminum and has a beautiful, rustic finish that complements any outdoor decor. It produces a clear, resonant sound that is soothing and not overpowering, perfect for creating a peaceful ambience. The wind chime is easy to assemble and hang, with all necessary hardware included. Number 1. Toysmith Melting Snowman Putty Slime Kit. Get ready for some frosty fun. With this kit, you can easily shape and decorate your very own snowman using the soft, white putty. It comes with all the fun accessories you need. Add a hat, scarf, buttons, eyes, and arms to bring your snowman to life. Once your snowman is built, prepare for a magical transformation. Watch as it slowly melts into a puddle right before your eyes. The best part? It's reusable. You can rebuild your snowman again and again for endless hours of creative play. This delightful toy is perfect as a desk companion or a fun holiday gift. It's a great stocking stuffer for kids aged 5 and up. Looking for even more excitement? Check out our other fun options, like melting monsters and aliens. What we like. This is a fun, interactive toy that allows for creative building and a unique melting effect. If you're looking for a playful desk toy or a holiday gift that offers hands-on fun for kids aged 5 and up, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy tactile activities and a bit of messy, magical transformation. What people say. The chime has a beautiful and intricate design, featuring delicate snowflakes that catch the light. The sound produced by the chime is clear and melodious, creating a peaceful ambience. It is made of durable metal that is resistant to rust and weathering, ensuring long-lasting use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.